my beverage of lemon. Bleh. Hello, everyone, and welcome to U-Nique Accounting. I'm Max Cinsarello, and I'm an owner and managing partner here. You can learn more about what we do by visiting our website at u-niqueaccounting.com. There, I recommend you check out our blog and also our downloadable guide page where you can download some free content. Also, if you're wondering what I'm drinking today, today's beverage of choice is lemon ginger seltzer water. I work from home and just water can get boring from day to day. Also, if you notice, my cup bears the hashtag Make Today Count. This is the slogan for my Best Friends Foundation, which is a close, personal, not-for-profit that I'm a board member of. A link will be provided at the end of the video where you can fill out information for you or someone you know who is dealing with the impact of cancer in their life. So let's go ahead and jump into today's topic. Today's topic is vendor discounts, why you need to take advantage of them. So vendor early payment discounts. They sound attractive, right? So you get to pay your vendor early and you receive a good discount for doing so. This will help improve the profitability of your business and later its overall cash position. However, by doing this, you can deplete your cash flow, which then makes you struggle to make payroll for the next week. So there is a right way to take advantage of vendor discounts where you won't hurt your working capital. So what is an early payment discount? Well, it is a discount for paying your vendor significantly quicker than in normal terms. So instead of waiting 30 days to pay your vendor, they may offer you a 1 or 2% discount for any bill that you pay within 10 days. This is a calculated move on their part because they want to accelerate their cash flow and reduce the risk of non-payment or late payments from their customers. So should you take the discount? Yes, but in the right way, by utilizing debt. So unless you are sitting on excess working capital reserves, and I mean excess, the best way is to utilize your line of credit from your bank to take advantage of the discount. Using your line of credit will allow you to pay your vendor early and still get the discount while also not impacting your overall cash flow. You can check out our vendor early payment discount calculator with the link at the end of this video, but here's how it works. On day 9 or 10, you would borrow money on your line of credit to cover the cost of that early payment to your vendor. Then on day 30, you would pay back your line of credit for the money you borrowed, meaning that you're only borrowing the money for 20 days. And the reason why this works is that if you didn't pay early, on day 30, you would still be using your normal cash flow to pay it. So in this case, instead of using your normal cash on day 30, you're gonna borrow the bank on day 10, and then on day 30, use your normal cash to pay the bank back. And what this does is that the savings on the vendor discount will be greater than the cost of interest from borrowing the money for your bank for 20 days. And let's just use a simple example to showcase this. So let's pretend you have a $100,000 bill from your vendor with 30-day terms, and they're gonna give you a 2% discount if you paid in 10 days. And let's assume that your line of credit interest rate is 5%. In this scenario, to pay early in 10 days and borrow money for the 20 days, the savings by doing this on $100,000 would be $1,720. In order to lose money in the scenario I described above, the interest rate would have to be greater than 36%. So you see, that's almost always advantageous to utilize vendor discounts. You may be saying, well, my vendors don't offer discounts. So if your vendor's invoices do not show an early payment discount term, try giving them a call and ask for one. And when you ask for one, start off with 2% payment in 10 days and negotiate down. The worst thing your vendor can say is no, but some will be willing to accept it, and now you can save some money. Also, everyone's financial condition is always in flux. So if they say no today, that may turn into a yes in the future. So now you may be asking yourself, how come no one's told me this before? It's simple, you just don't have a good accountant. So please find yourself a better accountant out there, one that will be a trusted advisor to you and provide you good business advice. So thanks for listening to our advice on why you should take advantage of vendor discounts. If you appreciate our advice, please remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel for future content. Until then, remember, don't conform, stay unique.